Exclamation. Here we go. This is a little pussy right there behind the camera. Stop! Stephanie, it's moving!
No fucking shit, it's a fucking bird. What do you expect? Just pull it. Don't drop it though, because you have a pot and stuff.
Oh, it's sliding, it's sliding. It's sliding. Yeah, for real.
Bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word.
Come on.
Hurry up, bird is the word. Are you even opening it?
Look at it, he's moving it. It's happening. Yeah, I'm just gonna pull it and get on the floor.
Why are you gonna get on the floor? You're fucking all suited up. How do you have a towel?
No, for real, I saw it. Did you see it?
Go!
Look at it! I can see it! Come look at it.
Hey, Molly.
Linda, watch it! We're in the rescue mission, get out! No, for real, the bird's in there.
What bird?
You better move. I'm gonna let it out right now.
What bird?
I don't know, there's a bird there.
For 2 days, it's been in here.
Or a bat or something.
Or
Is
something.
that thing right there?
Hear it.
What the hell is it doing there?
I don't know.
That's not a bird, it's a rat.
No, because it flings. It goes.
Have you seen the rat that comes out in Family Guy? That has wings?
Linda, shut up!
Ali!
What is it? Seppi, pull it.
He's
The
like
guy.
Eka, I'm suited up.
Use the thing. The umbrella.
Listen.
I don't have a towel.
Oh shit, that's in. Or like that.
Is it a bird?
I'm blocking the attention with the towel.
It could be a rat with its tail.
It's been there for how long?
Today.
And you guys haven't taken it out?
Eka, I heard it 2 days ago, but it was just one time. And
It's a
I
fucking
left.
rat. Take it out.
It's not a rat.
Linda, get a bag and hold it right there. Linda! No, for real.
Seppi has a towel already under it.
He's using that towel to
Finger.
Huh?
What's wrong with your finger?
That's the thing from right there.
Oh, I thought you said that's not towel.
Stephanie, hold it in this
I
bag.
was watching
For what?
Fantastic Four.
Dale, Linda.
You know why you're that today?
Hold on.
Hold the bag right there for whatever it is that lands in here.
Shut the fuck up.
No, for real.
What?
Just open it.
What if it's a rat?
If it's a rat, it's a rat. Yeah, okay?
I didn't take a video of it.
It's already recording. I don't wanna. One more yank and it's off. I run that way. For real.
Go! Well, do
Linda,
it with
shut up
the
and
spoon.
talk to me.
Do it with the spoon.
It doesn't work because it's
Ándale, pues.
Ew, I saw it!
What is it?
I don't know. What's the stick? Oh, it's a bird. It's a bird, you guys. I saw it. It's gonna fly, Linda. Get out of my way.
Bird. The bird's the word.
It's a bird, you guys.
Okay, go! Put it up something. Put the thing like that.
Go ahead.
I don't want to.
The fuck are you doing? Just open.
Look at it right there. You see it?
Alright, just open it before it messes up the whole thing.
Oh, Seppi.
gotta go see her. It's right there.
Where is it?
It's still there.
What's fucking name turn?
Go.
Oh my god, that thing's huge. How did it get in there?
Let me something.
Hurry up, because I can't block you forever. I only have a towel.
How did it get in there?
Holla, Lily, you're all suited up.
I'm going. Remember the mass destruction?
Let's figure it over here, look.
Birdie? Birdie, come here, Birdie.
Dale. Now you know the bird.
Birdie? Birdie can't land there. It's slippery, Birdie. Come here.
Dale. The worst I can do is attack you. Dale.
Oh my god, how come it won't fly away?
I don't know.
Throw the thing at it!
Don't throw it at him. Just walk at him. Walk towards him. Walk towards him.
Birdie? Oh, shit.
It won't fly away, dude, I swear.
Birdie?
It's probably hurt.
Birdie? I don't want you, Birdie.
Not scared of you. You don't face him.
Do I just grab it?
Where would it go away?
If you could
What
grab it,
do I
grab it.
do?
If you could grab it, grab it. Fuck it.
Oh,
What if it
I
pokes
can't
me?
fly.
Huh?
Just up.
Zippy!
You're all suited up, Lily.
Zippy!
All you gotta do is put it in the garage. One thing.
It can't fly. It's her. Look, it can't fly.
Birdie,
There
don't
it goes,
move!
there it goes.
Birdie, move!
No, you turned the wrong way.
You want water? Fucking go outside!
That's weird, guys. It's been there for 2 days.
I don't know. I just heard this morning.
Zippy, Zippy, Zippy!
Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
That's right here! What's in the trash? Woo! We got it, guys. We found it. Fly, Birdie, fly! No, I wanna document this. Birdie, get out of my property. So, here we go. Shoo, Birdie, shoo. I just saved the bird from out of my kitchen. Savior, Leslie Lucely Lopez.